In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow to find tenants in Zillow. 2026 full guide. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zillow.com. In the large search bar at the top, type the city, neighborhood, or zip code you're interested in, then press enter. Zillow will load a split view with an interactive map on one side and a scrolling list of matching places on the other. This dual layout is helpful because every change you make updates both the map and the list in real time. Take a moment to make sure you're centered on the right area, and feel free to zoom out slightly to compare nearby neighborhoods before you refine anything. Next, switch the site into rental mode. Look for the tab labeled Rent, for rent, or rentals, and select it so you're only viewing properties available to lease. If you see homes for sale mixed in, toggle the rental tab again. This ensures you're looking at apartments, condos, or rental homes rather than listings intended for purchase. Now refine the results so they match your needs. Set a monthly price range that aligns with your budget to immediately filter out anything unrealistic. Choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms you want, whether that's a studio or a multi-bedroom setup, so the list reflects the space you actually need. Use the move-in date filter to surface options available on your timeline. That way you avoid units that are either already taken or not ready when you are. If you have pets, enable the filters for cats, dogs, or both to target pet-friendly buildings. Finally, turn on the amenities that matter to you, like in-unit laundry, air conditioning, parking, or a dishwasher. A useful approach is to start with your must-haves, see how many results you get, and then relax one or two filters if the list feels too thin. With your criteria set, use the map to zero in on location. Click and drag to pan across different neighborhoods and use the plus and minus controls to zoom in and out. Each time you move the map, click Search this area to refresh the results for that exact view. For precise targeting, select the Draw tool and outline a custom boundary around a transit corridor, a campus, or a park. So Zillow only returns listings inside that shape. Finally, save your search while you're logged in.